A 2.1% upward move in Ethereum is indicated for tomorrow by coin price forecast. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. Today's update shows Ethereum up 2.7%, with a price around $1,763.38. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. Coin price forecast says the price might move toward $1,801 by June 17. That's a move of 2.1%. Ethereum is likely to head toward $1,792.12 per coin data flow, with an expected increase of 1.6%. CoinLore highlights the possibility of reaching $1,784, an upward move of about 1.2%. Another analysis by Traders Union projects Ethereum might climb toward $1,772.77, an estimated gain near 0.5%. And in closing, crypto prediction sees the price dipping to $1,665.32 by tomorrow, 5.6% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. That's 5 different outlooks covered. Let's keep going. Let's now shift from forecasts to expected outcomes. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 5.6% and a rise of 2.1%, depending on the analyst. Based on these forecasts, crypto prediction stands in first place with 5.6% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you might see gains of between $5 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, Traders Union's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 90.3% probability. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. The consensus figure points to Ethereum at approximately $1,763.04. Okay, let's walk through it. The consensus projection points to a 0% increase in price under current conditions. In that scenario, your capital could also see a rise of about 0%. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about gained. So, in terms of chances, the consensus outlook for Ethereum is placed at roughly 92.3%. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. Coin price forecast highlights a bullish outlook for Ethereum. The expectation from CoinDataFlow is for Ethereum to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. A stronger push upward is expected by CoinLore. Meanwhile, Traders Union suggests the direction is clearly higher. A bearish stance is reflected in crypto predictions' forecast. The consensus highlights a steady picture, with Ethereum hovering near today's levels. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for Ethereum. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how those forecasts matched up. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $1,796. The outcome showed that only a minority of forecasts were correct about the direction. Leading in accuracy was coin price forecast. Time to sort through the results more carefully. The market close proved that only 1 out of 5 was inside the candle. Speaking of ROI, multiple predictions turned profitable, and the best return stood at 7%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. Meanwhile, coin price forecast had a probability score of 70, 1.5% in accuracy, and an ROI reaching 2.5%. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Let's see how tomorrow's forecast. Base returns vary between Ethereum and several others. Ethereum ranks 5th among the compared assets, while Cosmos projects 2.7% profitability. We're looking at a limited group of 5 coins, and a wider range of crypto forecasts is already on my website. We've reached the end. If this saved you some research time, don't forget to leave a like. Catch you later.